Hi everybody, today we're going to look at the PreK Math Starter Kit, which contains 10 math books, each holding 14 days worth of practice, giving your child almost 9 months to work on building their math and handwriting skills. This math kit includes 4,500 math problems, giving your child step-by-step help as they build their math and handwriting skills. The books themselves are appropriately sized for young hands. So, let's take you inside a book. So each day is set up so that your child gets 18 problems worth of math practice, spread front and back across one page so as not to overwhelm your child right off the bat. So skipping forward, something that parents love about our books is the easy-to-read, child-friendly font that helps them distinguish early on the difference between 9s and 6s, 4s and 7s, which help build penmanship and accuracy later down the line. We wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of how much your child is going to grow over the 9 months of using these products. So here's page 1 from book 1 versus look at the numbers that are being shown in book 10. We also feature these daily achievement stars. So you can see it's day 13, so there's 13 stars. So each day your child can fill in all the stars on the page that they just completed. All the math exercises you'll find in our kits encourage independence. So these exercises are simple enough that you don't have to sit with your child while they work on it, and it really helps them to feel accomplished and confident in their abilities. Here at Page A Day Math, we believe that math should be fun for your preschooler. So the back of each book features jokes. We have Mo, Joe, Zoe, Bo, and Flo, all making up the math squad to support your child. You may have already noticed every single page comes with one of our Math Squad dogs on it. And one of our favorite parts is that at the very end of each book, your child gets these words of affirmation from the Math Squad to keep them excited. Every time your child reaches the end of the book, they will receive a certificate that they can sign with their name, which makes them feel really proud of their achievements. And it's actually perforated as well so that you can tear it out and put it on your fridge. If you're looking to grow your preschoolers' math skills, be sure to hit buy now to access our PreK Math Starter Kit.